Jacksonville. Let's start off with a look at the extended forecast. Always like doing this, give you kind of an idea of what's happening over the upcoming week here, including the weekend, because it is balmy. 80s here all the way out through Monday and Tuesday. Look at this, high 80s, mostly sunny skies. We do have some isolated showers sprinkled in there, especially Friday over towards Sunday. But just in general, it is some nice weather. Now, I point this out because if we look out towards the beaches, it is a lot cooler, and this is because the water temperatures are still into the 50s just offshore. That is really modifying, and that's one reason why we have all that sea fog continuing to linger along our coastal areas, because the winds are lightly coming in out of the southeast, and it's pushing any of that fog that does develop kind of on shore. And you can see that here with our camera this morning out at Jacksonville Beach. Kind of got that decent fog there in place. Sunrise is at 6:47, sunsets at 6:29. Keep in mind, though, when you wake up on Monday morning, that sunrise will be at 7:47. Sunset will be at 7:30 because, of course, the time change this upcoming weekend. Taking a look at our temperatures, though, out near the coast, it stays into the lower 70s throughout the day. But once you head inland, it does warm up nicely up to 84 degrees here for our forecasted high in Jacksonville. We do have some isolated inland showers that could be developing along the 301 corridor over towards I-75. Basically, kind of that daytime heating. We're starting to almost get into sea breeze season out here, especially with these much warmer temperatures. And that's kind of going to be what's developing here. Not a big synoptic scale, broad type shower, but these isolated kind of spotty patches of rainfall. And you see that here with our futurecast. Here we go into the 80s through this afternoon, and then you start to see some of that rain bubble up basically west of Jacksonville and slowly drifting off towards west, lingering along the I-75 corridor, heading closer to the evening here. So the weekend's looking pretty warm, 85, 86. Another round of stray showers, very much like that again on our Sunday. But I think the big thing is just warm and muggy, and that includes for the Gate River run out there. First run starts at, there's here Crystal over there, ready to go. We'll be both out there. If you see us, stop by and say hi. It's going to be a lot of fun. Largest 15K. Over 20,000 people signed up for this run. Registration's closed, but you can still go out there and cheer everybody along. Run starts at 8 a.m. If you're going to it, though, get early. The parking this year is going to be it's going to be rough because the stop signs moved. But I tell you, the temperature's looking great. It's going to be a little muggy, so make sure you're staying hydrated with it. Onshore flow continuing, though, heading into the weekend, into the early part of next week. And really, it's going to be like these light chances of rainfall until about Thursday, and that's our next kind of broader system that'll move through our area.